Happy Doge Day, everyone. As you see, Doge Day was nothing but a big fat joke. But going forward, things are going to change. For those of you who bought in at really high prices, Dogecoin is going to have an explosive move in May. In May, Dogecoin will hit $1. It will surpass $1 in May. When May comes, I'm going to cash out 75% of my holdings. I don't want anyone to follow what I'm doing. This is something I'm doing for me because I have other plans with my earnings from Dogecoin. If you don't do what I do, you could make more money or you can make less. Follow your own intuition. But the reason Dogecoin has been blowing up lately is not for the reason people think. People think that this is an orchestrated pump. This is not an orchestrated pump. This spike in Dogecoin is connected to something involving Elon Musk. He is caught up in Dogecoin in one way or another, and word is out, and that's why everyone is buying up the coins, because of a move that Elon Musk is going to be making within the next I'm going to say within the next 4 weeks. Whatever move he's making, it's going to come to light. I'm thinking his tweet about putting a Dogecoin on the moon is a lot more serious than people seem to think that it is. But I've been feeling a really strong energy move for May. There's going to be some more rallying in April, but the power move will be in May. So hold on to your Doge. Do not sell quite yet.